Okay, you know what? I will call you. I'll call you like I do cash to
Biscuit
buy.
is sweet though.
No. I don't like sugar. I don't like. I want the one that does not have sugar. The one that is not sugary. Yes, the one that like I don't sugar is not good. It's not really that good for the
Okay
body. I
now.
don't like sugar. And thank you. Yes.
Biscuit.
Eh,
Um, excuse me, hello. Um,
Want to buy? Good afternoon.
good afternoon. How is business?
It's fine now.
Actually, I don't want to buy something. I just want to give you something. Okay. You can have this.
Uh-uh. Just like that.
You can use it and buy more of your stuff. Please,
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
God
welcome.
will bless you.
Bless you too. I
Thank
like
you
your
so much.
hustling spirit.
Thank you.
You get just always try to be careful. Why selling something like this to somebody? Try to be careful so that the person won't be stealing from you without knowing. It's possible someone might just be taking something from your head, dropping it on the ground. If you leave, the person will just pick everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so just next time, just anytime you are selling, just try
Okay.
to.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
hold this one. Hold this one. Manage it.
Wait now. Wait.
What?
It's for that you are giving me.
Manage that one.
No, now
I
was the one that was collecting it from her tray. No,
when I
now.
was in the water, when I was in the gutter, inside water, with all this
Three,
food, can't
four, 5, 6.
Actually,
See, your own is
what?
6. Now my own is 4.
Manage that one.
No, wait.
Don't
Okay,
touch me.
okay,
Are you ungrateful?
wait. No, I'm sorry. I'm not. Wait. We are not quarreling. We are not
We
fighting.
were never quarreling
Wait.
now.
Okay, wait. Just give me one. Let me add to this 4 so that mine will be 4. One
Then
will
I'll
be 5.
take how many?
One will be 5.
Oh, 5
To be
and
5.
You don't have respect. Manage that one.
This thing you are doing is not good.
What is
though.
not good? What is not good?
It's me that was suffering. I was packing this for man. And now you are giving me 4. It doesn't make sense now.
Now see what it is.
Hello. Come.
Sir?
Who owns that biscuit?
It's mine, sir.
They are yours.
Yes, sir.
You are under arrest.
Sir? For what, sir?
You have the right to remain silent because anything you say here will be used against you.
Sir, what did I do, sir?
You think I did not see you? I saw how you were stealing from that poor hawker. Is that how you do? Okay.
Sir, there was a gate. It was an idea. Jesus, I can't.
Don't worry. When you get to the station, you explain better.
Sir, where is she? Sorry. Hey, so this guy is me. Sir, hey, sir, hey, oh, she, hey, hey, hey.